Okay. Okay, mic was muted. It is not muted anymore. I'm here. I did it. Yes. The internet was like so bad 10 minutes ago. I thought I would not make it. I guess I did it. And another thing I learned yesterday is that I should not talk on the side of the microphone. So I think I adjusted the microphone to be good even when I'm laid back versus when I'm like sitting normally. I think. I hope. I still haven't gotten used to this microphone. I mean, it's perfect. I'm the one who's the problem, obviously. Yeah. And what's wrong with the blinking? Okay. And also I brought snacks because yesterday I got way too hungry at the end of the stream. So I hope that's not gonna happen today. And yeah. Oh, hi, Zay. Hi, what's up? Hi. Good time of day. What's up? Yep. And I also thought I won't stream because I was like, do I stream or do I not stream? Am I sleepy? Should I go back to sleep? But then it's like a routine. When I do it a lot, I just get so used to doing it. When I don't do it, the energy is just not there. So yeah. Hi, coffee. What's up? I also have decent coffee with me, not filled with. Actually, I added milk this time, not creamer. How are you guys doing? I feel like I don't ask that like at all to people. Even at work, like when someone passes by me, they're like, "Hi, how are you?" I'm like, "Good," and then I go. I never like ask people how they're doing. So, hi Zaid, how are you doing? And hi Coffee, how are you doing? Me personally, I think I'm like pretty good. I have things pending in my brain, but that doesn't matter. Like, it's just that. What is keep pushing me to stream? Just the fact that I want to finish the courses, and also, I will say I like talking to people, in the comfort of hiding behind a screen. Yeah, I do like streaming. I really do. I like streaming. Oh, I really need to learn how to fix this. I like streaming more than I like making videos. Yeah, but also, again, like I need to finish the courses. But yes, let me know how you're doing because I asked and you should answer me if you feel like it. And I think I'm very good overall. Health is good. I probably did not get enough sleep last night, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna take a nap. Yep. Apparently less than 6 hours, but I'm gonna take a nap. No worries. Now we have a test for whether comments are bots. We can ask them how many R's are on my clothes. R's? Hold up. Wait, are you talking about the the strawberry? Ah, that took me a second. I'm like, wait, R's letter R? Where is it? You can't even see it, but it's the strawberry. Yeah, because the strawberry was the thing. Yeah, right. I normally do like Fajr prayer and then make coffee, and sometimes I need to set up a few things. For example, change the title, um, set up my phone. Sometimes I change the clothes on my model, stuff like that, and all of that takes like 40 minutes. I'm just I am a slow person. So yes, I do stream after Fajr prayer. Yes. But like I don't wake up early enough. I think for Fajr prayer, I wake up like 20 minutes before the end of it. Might be a trick to have someone clarify the answer for me. I will not clarify whether or not I'm a large language model. Oh, huh. I mean, I think I get this question asked quite a lot. How I learned the English language, which my answer is mostly like, when I was young, it was like DVDs, cassette tapes. But like I watched every Disney movie out there. I can repeat them by heart. Yesterday we were watching Up movie, and I was like repeating everything. But like that's pretty new. Like Mulan, The Lion King, even like Shrek, which is not Disney. It's DreamWorks. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I grew up on animated stuff. Barney, Elmo, all of that. Kim Possible, Ben 10. Oh my god, I love Ben 10. I am giving my love of Ben 10 to people who are younger than me. No, I don't speak Arabic. I I I went the English route instead of the Arabic route. And I didn't yeah. Some people before me, like decades before me, like went to Arabic school. I did not go to Arabic school. So I did not grow up Arabic being spoken around me. So yeah, but I do know Fusha. It's just different. And I'm not comfortable to speak it, but if I have to, of course I watch Space Tune. I was literally talking about Space Tune yesterday. Like I was talking about Adnan Lina because oh, that's true. Thing is, we didn't have satellite at home. Satellite TV, and Space Tune was satellite TV. So I would watch DVDs far more than I would watch satellite TV. But I did know what Space Tune was, and I like Himtaro was on Space Tune. Why am I thinking of Himtaro? Anyway, hold up. What else? Morocco. Yeah. I did watch probably enough Arabic stuff to know some. Obviously, I know some Arabic. It's just I'm not confident. I just grew up watching way too many English stuff, even like Home Alones and everything. Like I would watch these stuff so much. Yeah. I was an iPad kid of the let's say 2000s. 90s. I would no, not 90s. No, but like I obviously grew up on YouTube as well. So yeah. What about you? And I also remember deciding to have an American accent instead of a British one because I could have easily gone for the British one. I thought American sounded more interesting. If I didn't watch this, I probably couldn't understand Arabic. Ah, wow. Yeah, absolutely. Entertainment helps with learning language. It's my preferred way. Even though it's not the fastest actually, but it helps with speaking and understanding more than books, even though books obviously matter. No. Yeah. I really like talking about languages. I do. And I don't like when that happens. But yeah. Oh, another thing, I actually went to summer school to learn Arabic for 2 summers. My heart is just not in it. It's annoying because I was like young then. I could have probably learned better. But even when I got home, I was probably watching normal movie. Our dialect is far from Fusha. Right. Definitely. Fusha is not being spoken anywhere except TV. Which is pretty good for me. Like Al Jazeera and stuff like that. Should we start learning? I started late, I know. There was a reason. What was the reason? I was fixing something. There was a reason. Okay, I'm really excited to start Unit 2. Not Lesson 2, Unit 2. And I doubt I can go over all the subunits, especially if there is code. I'm gonna have to see if there are problems or not. I am so scared my internet is going like south. It's gonna go bad. So for now, we're good. I don't know if it will stay good because when wait, what? Titles are different? Come on. YouTube didn't update? No, come. Sorry. I shouldn't okay. I'll fix it. Let's not complain. Let's be... The title is literally... Meaning description is also not updated. Edit. Yep, description is also not updated. The title is this one, Introduction to Agentic Frameworks, plus, and then open parentheses, copying these ones because these are keywords and we are going to be studying them today. So pasting that, cleaning out the text. Ooh, no way! I'm guessing my title was too long and YouTube couldn't have taken. Oh wow, that is interesting. The limit is 100. 100. But okay, I'm just gonna write intro instead of introduction. Intro. Still not. Huh. What do I do? What do I do? I'm gonna remove AI agents course. Should I? Or do I say intro to agents? That does not sound good. I guess I can remove the word HuggingFace because it's in the description, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And it works now. And I also paste this in the description so that those who want to find it can. And that's it. Wait. By the way, I can't see chat because I'm fixing this. But I think I also took this line just to put it in the description because it's like, hi, welcome. This is what we're going to be doing. Yep. Hugging Face is in the description and save. Phew. I guess I fixed it. Cool. Oh, by the way, Zaid, do I know if you're a student or not? I forget. I don't know if I have asked. Okay. I was asked recently if I'm a student. I was like, oh, thanks. Like in real life. Because I've been out of school for so long, so it's weird. Anyway, we are actually starting Introduction to Agentic Frameworks. Welcome to this second unit where we'll explore different agentic frameworks that can be used to build powerful agentic is right? Applications. We will study small agents, llama index, and langgraph. So yeah, let's start. Right. Okay. You're right. You did say that. I do forget. Okay. When to use an agentic framework. I don't like saying the word agentic. It sounds like I'm saying hygienic. It's weird. Okay. That's why I'm like agentic. Trying to make it sound different in my brain. An agentic framework is not always needed when building an application around LLMs. They provide flexibility in the workflow to efficiently solve a specific task, but they're not always necessary. Cool. Sometimes predefined workflows are sufficient to fulfill user requests, and there's no real need for an agentic framework. What sort of predefined frameworks? I'm curious. Okay. If the approach to build an agent is simple, like a chain of prompts, using a plain code may be enough. Using plain code, okay. The Thank you. Yeah, it feels funny when I say it. That's why. So thank you for validating my concerns. The advantage is that the developer will have full control and understanding of their system without abstractions. Okay, I'm sure it is impossible to have a full understanding and control of a black box language model, but let's say we do. Let's say we do. However, when the workflow becomes more complex, such as letting an LLM call functions or using multiple agents, these abstractions start to become helpful. Considering these ideas, we can already identify the need for some features. Features are an LLM engine that powers the system. Okay, so the main model. A list of tools the agent can access, what it has access to, right? A parser for extracting tool calls from the LLM output. Do we have an actual parser, or is it like how we want the output of the function to be, which is most of the time a JSON file, right? Or is it just an answer and you have to create the JSON file? I mean, not file, just the thing. A system prompt synced with the parser, a memory system. Oh yeah. Error logging and retry mechanisms to control LLM mistakes. Okay. What about evaluation, or is that like already done? We'll explore how these topics are resolved in various frameworks, including smolagents, llama index, and langgraph. Cool. So here are, oh wow, here are the frameworks. I guess this takes you, okay, to the course link. And here's a description. Agents framework developed by HuggingFace. I never know if HuggingFace is one word or separated. Most of the time I see it separated, but a lot of other times I see them together. And here it's separated. Llama Index, end-to-end tooling to ship context augmented AI agent to production. I mean, this has to be meta, right? And langgraph agents allowing stateful orchestration of agents. Cool. Like, you can control other agents? Okay. And these are the authors of each unit. I see Jeffrey Thomas a lot in the Discord, but these are also the authors. And we start with smolagents. I love this, the name. Oh, why isn't it? Okay. And here's our agent, double OHF. Yeah. So let's learn about the small agents framework. Welcome to this module. Thank you. Where you learn how to build effective agents using the small agents library, which provides a lightweight framework for creating capable AI agents. Small agents is a Hugging Face library. Therefore, we would appreciate support by starring the repository. Sure, why not? Do I have GitHub logged in? I do not. Cool. Module overview. Sometimes I glitch. This one was an example. And also, I'm gonna hydrate. Give me a second. I should probably mute myself because yes. Because I felt like I was on the verge of coughing. So I was like, let me save the microphone from that. So this module provides a comprehensive overview of key concepts and practical strategies for building intelligent agents using small agents. With so many open source frameworks available, it is essential to understand the components and capabilities that make small agents a useful option or to determine when another solution might be a better fit. True. We'll explore critical agent types, including code agents designed for software development tasks, like GitHub Copilot, I suppose. Tool calling agents for creating modular function-driven workflows, and retrieval agents that access and synthesize information. Additionally, we'll cover the orchestration of multiple. I like the word orchestration. I feel like it's being overused right now, but cool. Of multiple, because like if in servers we say the hypervisor thingy, what is it called? Is like in control. I suppose the word orchestration sounds more fancy than saying controls. So, okay, I'll take it. Multiple agents, as well as the integration of vision capabilities and web browsing, which unlock new possibilities for dynamic and context-aware applications. In this unit, Alfred, the agent from Unit 1, who was, I guess, an example, makes his return. This time, he's using the Small Agents framework for his internal workings. Together, we'll explore the key concepts behind this framework as Alfred tackles various tasks. Alfred is organizing a party at the Wayne Manor while the Wayne family is away. Oh my god, that's grim. There's a bat. Something tells me the Wayne family is not coming back. That is grim. And he has plenty to do. Join us as we showcase this journey and how he handles these tasks with small agents. Okay. In this unit, you'll learn to build AI agents with the small agents library. Your agents will be able to search for data, execute code, and interact with web pages. You will also learn how to combine multiple agents to create more powerful systems. Combining agents. I like the sound of it. I don't know how. Hi, Alfred. What's up? Contents. During this unit on small agents, we cover why use small agents. Small agents is one of many open source agent frameworks available for application development. Alternative options include Llama Index and LangGraph. My question is, I should really learn more about it before asking questions, but LangChain is not agentic, right? I think. It's like a framework for talking to language models, which feels like agentic, I guess. Anyway, which are also covered in other modules in this course. Small agents offer several key features that might make it a great fit for specific use cases, but we should always consider all options when selecting a framework. Of course, right. We'll explore the advantages and drawbacks of using small agents, helping you make an informed decision based on your project's requirements. Cool. Thanks. Code agents are the primary type of agent in small agents. Instead of generating JSON or text, these agents produce Python code to perform actions. Is it repeatable? This module explores their purpose functionality and how they work, along with hands-on examples to showcase their capabilities. Okay, so my question is, wow, I just realized I have not opened Stream Manager. Hello? I think, hello? I think, I don't know how bad it is, but I think there is now a bigger lag. So are we back? Are we not back? Can someone let me know? And like, I think we're back, but I think it's also very not good. Right? Should I? Looks actually decent. Looks reasonable. But I see 40% dropped frames, so that's why I am a little bit worried. Twitch seems to be struggling, no? No, loading. YouTube is actually fine because I think the quality is going down, which is okay. But I feel like Twitch is struggling. Thank you for letting me know. Yep. Thank you. Thanks. Right? Yeah. Like 50% frame rate? That is so much. I don't know why. I mean, I feel like I don't know if that's different from each country's, but like my internet is monthly, so each time it gets to the end of the month, it just goes downhill. Yeah, no, it's like it's steady at 40%, 45 right now. It has no intention of going down. And I was using a different thing, router, I guess, but it cut off. And I don't like that. If I feel like if I try to reconnect with it, shaping? What do you mean shaping? Hi, YD vlog. Okay. Hi, hello. Let me know if it's normal for me to continue. If it's like not easy to understand, then I could do something else, because I want these streams to be somewhat rewatchable. So yeah. It's yellow and it's at 50%. Let me try and monitor. Twitch is not happy with me. I used to give YouTube a lot of, like, I used to be mean to it, but it's doing a way better job than Twitch in holding up. Yeah, no, I'm moving, I think. All right. I think it's decent. I'm gonna try and continue. Ah, it's red. It is red. Code red. Let's just try for a bit. And if we fail, oh wow, green. I don't trust you. And red. Cool. I'm just gonna. Same monthly unlimited plans. Yep, call shaped. Oh, after a certain amount of. Oh my god, no way! I've never like thought about it this way. That after, because it is unlimited. Like I would not buy limited because I I use the internet a lot, and I want to watch my YouTube videos in peace. Not 4K, but you know. So like I don't want limited plans. But I didn't realize that after, like, there are times where it's so bad. I'm like, how? Why was it so normal a few days ago? And your point makes a lot of sense. That like they have an actual limit ish. That is so mean. Because like you pay for unlimited, and yes, the internet is still there. It just becomes trash. That is very interesting. Okay. Let me do this and then do this for myself and say, we're back. Because I'm planning on trying and editing those my Hugging Face streams into videos. Hopefully, inshallah, I'll try. If I fail, I fail. But we shall see. I don't know if it's that, just the way you said it was towards the end of the month. It is. It is. I also don't know if it is that, but it feels that way. And feelings matter more than facts. Sorry. Let's not talk about politics. Okay. Anyway. Where was I? I think I was in tool calling agents. Tool calling agents are the second type of agent supported by small agents, unlike code agents. I don't know why I want to call it cool agents, but anyway, which generate Python code. These agents rely on JSON. Oh, there we go. Okay. Slash text blobs that the system must parse and interpret to execute actions. This module covers their functionality, their key differences from code agents, and it provides an example to illustrate their usage. Cool. Very cool. Tools, I guess the tools themselves. As we saw in Unit 1, tools are functions that an LLM can use within an agentic system, and they act as the essential building blocks for agent behavior. This module, I don't know, it feels weird when I say module, but it should module. And that sounds, it all sounds weird when I talk. Like, when I converse, it sounds normal, but when I talk to myself, which streaming is talking to yourself at one point, words just sound weird in my head. It covers how to create tools, their structure, and different implementation methods using the tool class and the @tool decorator. Wait, they're called decorators? Shut up. You'll also learn about the default toolbox, how to share tools with the community, and how to load community contributed tools for use in your agent. Okay. Thank you. Retrieval agents! I love retrieval agents! I didn't know they were in frameworks. This is like, I mean, yes, I'm only reading stuff, but it's giving me ideas. No, come on, Twitch. I had so much hope. I feel like those things were being auto-banned by Twitch, or what wasn't it? I feel like they were. And now, oh hey, hold up. Were you the one deleting those comments, or was it auto-banned by Twitch? I feel like Twitch is not smart enough to auto-ban this. Sorry, don't bite the hand that feeds ya. not that it feeds me. Anyway, retrieval agents. Retrieval agents allow models access to knowledge bases. Yes, making it possible to search, synthesize, and retrieve information from multiple sources. Meaning, I wouldn't say if you have a database, if you have documents, for example, a company wants their documentation to be searchable from a language model and using, I think, LangGraph. I really think it was LangGraph. So I was like, I don't know what that is because I hadn't heard it then. But it got me interested because like, ooh, I'm getting insider information. That's how it felt like. They leverage vector stores for efficient retrieval and implement RAG, retrieval augmented generation, patterns. These agents are particularly useful for integrating web search with custom knowledge bases while, they can do web search. While maintaining conversation context through memory systems. It's like when you are on your phone, but also maintaining a conversation, which I'm not recommending, but that's what it feels like. This module explores. Can you hear that loud sound in the background? You have to. Like if I don't talk, the mic will close the gate, but there was like a really loud motorcycle passing for the first time in a while. I hope everything is okay with them. Oh my god, it's coming back. Why? Well, probably a different motorcycle. This module explores, implementation strategies, including fallback mechanisms for robust information retrieval. Cool. That was the retrieval agents, number 5. We're going to number 6, which is multi-agent systems. Orchestrating multiple agents effectively is crucial for building powerful multi-agent systems. By combining agents with different capabilities, such as web search, such as a web search agent with a code execution agent. So there's a web search agent, and then we have a code execution agent. So we are combining both of them. Does that mean each one is optimized for one thing? Which I suppose is pretty good. Like having 2 employees that know different things and you put their heads together versus having one person who does multiple things has pros and cons, both of them. Cool. Because, anyway. You can create more sophisticated solutions. This module focuses on designing, implementing, and managing multi-agent systems to maximize efficiency and reliability. All right. Vision and browser agents. Vision agents extend traditional agent capabilities by incorporating vision language models, VML. This is the first time I'm hearing about this. Enabling them to process and interpret visual information. This module explores how to design and integrate VLM powered agents, unlocking advanced functionalities like image-based reasoning, visual data analysis, and multimodal interactions. We will also use vision agents to build a browser agent that can browse the web and extract information from it. Like search Google Images. And here are a list of resources, one of them being the small agents documentation. By the way, obviously the unit is not finished. This was the start of the unit because, hold up, if I close this, we are here. And you can see that the small agents is in its own a whole unit. And then I'm guessing Llama Index and the LangGraph are also their own. Really, noise gate might be a bit sharp around your words for the background noise, by the way. As in, like, I don't know if I probably need to review it because I fixed it when I first got the mic and I was not sure about how my posture is going to be and stuff like that. And it actually matters. Intuition is likely you cut noise to zero amount. Speaking makes the background noise more noticeable due to. Oh yeah, that is actually true. And I think, is there current background noise? Well, I guess. Wow, the birds are loud. I'm wearing a headphone. I could not hear them. Let them sing. Life is nice. um, what is this loud bird? There was such a cute bird. I don't know if it has a name. It was dark and it had a colorful beak. Not colorful, but like yellowish red, orangey colored, and it was singing so beautifully. Like I was like, that's not a normal bird. I doubt it's a crow because they make different sounds. It felt like right. Right. Yeah. Because when I speak, the gate is opening. Ah. Yeah. I see. So it might be annoying. Right. Okay. Actually, it's like I'm trying not to stop speaking so that the gate doesn't close. Which is like, then why did you create it? Fair. Fair. Okay. So. And here's a motorcycle passing. Why use small agents? I will look into it. I don't know if I know how to do that, but I will look into it. Oh, is that even possible? To fade instead of right. I don't think it gates between every word, does it? Oh wow, that is annoying. But like when I pause, then it should. I don't know if there's a fade, but no. I like the fact that we're trying to make things nicer. Because it's a process. And I like that. Also, I think sometimes I move the mic and you can hear it. So let me know if that is also a thing that I need to like try and be more what is the word? When you try not to make it noticeable. Not, I forgot. Anywho. Yeah, I think when I stop talking and then start talking, it is a bit annoying, but yeah. So, why use small agents? In this module, we will explore the pros and cons of using small agents, helping us make informed decisions about using frameworks. Cool. I will look into that. Oh my god, I forgot to share the screen. Let's start again. Why? Why would one use small agents? Let's see. In this module, we will learn the pros and cons of why we should use it. What is small agents? Small agents is a simple yet powerful framework for building AI agents. It provides LLMs with the agency, ooh, that's funny, to interact with the real world, such as searching or generating images. As we learned in Unit 1, AI agents are programs that use LLMs to generate thoughts based on observation to perform actions. The thought, action, observation. It's thought, action, observation, right? Well, thought, act, observe. Cycle. Right. I will do that. Thank you. That is, I did not know about the release time, but I did know about the threshold, which again, because I was not sure how I'm using the mic, I thought, give me a second. I thought I would be using it this way, which I guess feels too close. I like being leaned back just a bit. So yeah. Mm, okay. Sorry, I was distracted and now I'm back. Let's explore how it is implemented in small agents. The key advantage of small agents is simplicity, minimal code, complexity, and abstractions to make it easy to understand, adopt, and extend. Flexible LLM support works with any LLM through integration with HuggingFace tools and external APIs. Yeah, I guess it's nice that it's integrated with HuggingFace. Code first approach, first class support for code agents that write their actions directly in code, removing the need for parsing and simplifying tool calling. HF Hub, Hugging Face Hub integration. Seamless integration with the Hugging Face Hub, allowing the use of Gradio spaces as tools. I like Gradio. I do. When to use small agents? With these advantages in mind, when should we use small agents over other frameworks? It is ideal when a lightweight and minimal solution is needed. When one wants to experiment quickly without complex configurations, and when the application logic is straightforward. Code versus agent actions. So we learned that there are different mini agents inside small agents. That's like right or not. Let's see. Unlike other frameworks where agents write actions in JSON, small agent focuses on tool calls in code, simplifying the execution process. This is because there's no need to parse the JSON in order to build code that calls the tool. The output can be executed directly. So there's the difference between like this action environment, I'm guessing is replaced. You can see like we get a response here, but I guess it gets replaced by everything happening in the code here. So fewer actions are required. To review the difference between code versus JSON, we can check the action section in Unit 1. Agent types in small agents. Agents in small agents operate in multi-step agents. I have been saying the word agent so many times that it makes no sense. Each multi-step agent performs, so we have a thing called a multi-step agent, and what they do is they perform one thought, one tool call, and execution. In addition to using code agents as the primary type of agent, small agents also support tool calling agent, which writes tool calls in JSON. So we'll explore each agent type below, I guess, in the following sections. Well, not below. What's coming in the future. In small agents, tools are defined using the @tool decorator wrapping wrapping a Python function or the tool class. Okay. Model integration in small agents. Small agents supports flexible LLM integration, allowing you to use any callable model that meets certain criteria. Do these frameworks have these oh god, what did I do? Sorry, I clicked it by mistake. Have these functions pre-written, or is that because like how would you know how I want to call the things in my data set and API and stuff. Like, what do these frameworks do? I could be wrong, but I think the order of thought then tool call is something that an agent framework helps the LLM to do. Okay, wow. Did you just answer a question that I asked after you answered me? That's weird. As in, if you just ask an LLM naively, it might get like the JSON output? Huh? In the other order? How would that be? Okay. I guess you have to like just say, think about it, think about it, think about it. Which just feels like you're trying to like make a kid do something. Think about the implications. The framework provides several predefined classes to simplify model connections. Okay, that's nice. Talking to which model? I guess that's one help. The transformers model implements a local transformers pipeline for seamless integration. I think it's just the decorator text that they parse out the code and pass along to the LLM. Along with intrinsic naming of functions and parameters. Yeah, I guess that's nice. I guess, yeah. We'll see. I'm so curious, like, how much it helps. I'm sure a lot, but yeah. I guess I don't know the extent of things that need to be done. HF API model supports serverless inference, calling through HuggingFace infrastructure or via growing number of third-party inference providers. Light LLM model leverages Light LLM for lightweight model interactions. OpenAI server model connects to any service that offers an OpenAI API interface. That's nice. Azure model. Wow. AI service model supports integration with any Azure model deployment. If only naming stuff wasn't known as one of the hardest problems in computer science. Up there with cache invalidation. I mean, naming is not only the hardest thing, it is like a polarized thing. Like, people have different opinions and strong opinions about how it must be done. Like, you could just go to Reddit and you will see. This flexibility ensures that developers can choose the model and service most suitable for their specific use case and allows for easy experimentation. Now that we understood why and when to use small agents, let's dive deeper into this powerful library. And one could look at this blog to try and understand more. Okay. All right. Where are we? Where am I? We're in the why, so we should get a quiz. But it says tool-related objects. It does not say quiz. Where am I? Am I in documentation? No. Okay, let me go back to the why. I'm in the why. What was that? This was wrong and now it's right. What? I participated in code reviews. I can be mean about naming. Ooh. Gossip. Am I being weak that I'm like, do I want to pause here or do I want to pause here? Is it too early to think about pausing? Sorry. Sometimes I don't have enough time to mute myself. Okay, this is a really small quiz. So I think it's too early to think about pausing. Let's not think about pausing yet. Let's test our understanding of small agents with a quick quiz. Remember, testing yourself helps reinforce learning and identify areas where one needs reviews. Actually, one of the reasons I want to pause is because the internet is bad and I don't want people to have an annoying experience. I mean, I'm already pretty annoying, you know? Let's not double the annoyance. I'm curious how annoying it is. Maybe reasonably. Not. Each time I check Twitch, it's loading. And now I'm scared. Yep. Okay. Anywho. This is an optional quiz and it's not graded, so yeah. Question 1. What is one of the primary advantages of choosing small agents over other frameworks? It's lightweight. Where is it? Which statement best captures the core strength of a small agent approach? I guess it also uses a code thingy. There we go. Supports code-first approach with minimal abstractions, letting agents interact directly with Python function calls. I'm guessing this is true. It uses highly specialized configuration files. I don't think so. It said not. It doesn't do too much configuration. So like, don't be scared of it, sort of situation. I'm not gonna check this one. Only expert developers can use it. Come on. When you see the word only, know that it's not the right answer for any quiz. It focuses on JSON-based actions, removing the need for agents to write any code. That's not true. Deeply integrates with a single LLM provider and specialized hardware. I don't think so, but also maybe. So I'm gonna click it, and then if I get an error, then it's not it. See, not it. That's it. That was the only right answer. And it made me read everything because it was multi-select and I feel cheated. In which scenario would you likely benefit from most using small agents? Which situation aligns well with what small agents does best? Prototyping or experimenting quickly with the agent logic, particularly when your application is relatively straightforward. Yes, that is true. Building large scale, nope. Needing a... See, you see the word only? Don't click it. That only supports a scenario that requires advanced orchestration. No, only the first one. Yay. Small agents offers flexibility in model integration, which statement best reflects its approach. Choose most accurate of how small agents interoperates with LLMs. It only provides, again, the only. You see only, and it's not it. Because it says one single built-in model. Obviously not. It requires you to implement your own model connector. No. And we see another only here. Only integrates with, and most likely this is correct. Okay, cool. It can be used with a wide range of LLMs, offering predefined classes like Transformer, HF, Light LLM, and etc. How does small agents handles the debate between code-based actions and JSON-based actions? It allows both, doesn't it? Which statements correctly characterizes small agents' philosophy? Small agents has a philosophy about action formats. It only, guys, stop making life easy for me. Allows JSON-based actions. That's not true. It focuses on code-based actions via code agents, but also supports JSON. That is true. It disallows, obviously not. any external requiring all logic to be LLM, not true. Requires users to manually convert every code snippet into JSON. What? Okay, that's the only answer. Why are they one answer only? How does smolagents integrate with the HuggingFace hub for added benefit? I guess it lets you use Gradio and also like upload, download, call stuff and everything from the hub. Which statements accurately? Oh, statement 2, only one. Automatically upgrades all public models to commercial? Huh? No. Disables local inference entirely? Why? Forcing remote. These answers are funny. Allows you to push and share agent tool or tools, making it easily discoverable and reusable by other developers. That is absolutely true. It permanently stores all your code-based agents, preventing any updates or versioning. I love like who gives the other answers. Like I need to know what they're thinking. Is this supposed to be this easy? Ta-da! We finished it. We completed the quiz. If there are any that are missed, consider reviewing the small agents section for a deeper understanding. If you did well, you're ready to go further. Yay. Awesome. I think this only pattern in multiple choice review questions is suggestive of an approach in course design philosophy. It is still teaching you the only part rather than testing. Oh, you're saying that it teaches you how to take tests? Is that what you mean? Like it teaches you to game the system instead of learning? I hope. I don't think that's the case for this one, but could be. Oh, nice. I'm looking at how long it is, and it feels too long. So I sort of want to pause. One reason being bad internet, the other reason being bad internet. Yeah, that's mostly the only reason, actually. I don't want to. It's trying to teach you in the quiz. Okay, yeah, that's nice. When you are forced to read all the answers, the correct answer becomes obvious, which sort of like helps you. Like it. Okay. It. Oh hi. Oh my God. Wow. Xenotime. What's up? Hi. Hi. What was I saying? I was saying something. I was saying. Was I saying something? I was saying. Yeah, those types of quizzes. Like when you read, oh, it doesn't only do this, it does this and this. So I guess it helps in that sense, right? It's not about measuring the correctness of your answer as helping engage your reasoning more actively. Yeah. Synthesizes the knowledge they want you to impart. Yeah. I agree with the fact that like it helps you realize, wait, it doesn't only do this, it does this and that, right? I think. Yeah. Oh, hey, we actually have an open in collab at the top. It's been a while since I've seen this, but sadly, I'm not gonna continue today. As much as I would love to. I'm curious what I see the login. Ooh, we're gonna do web search. What model are we using? Because I might need to ask for permission and stuff. Where's the model? Oh. Wait. When is the model being called? Hold up. I need to go to collab. Also, hi. Was Xenotime streaming? Let me check. Oh no, but you do have a scheduled lecture with Z. Is it today? It is. Wait, well, probably tomorrow for you, but it is today for me. That's nice. Well, I saw the thumbnail on Twitter. I think the training theory is maybe David Merrill's instructional design principles. What? That's fancy. I've studied pedagogy and I don't know this stuff. Five principles of instructions are problem-centered, activation, demonstration, application, and integration. Nice. Wow. Could be Robert Garnier's. It's been a long time since I looked at instructional design theory. Whoa. That is so cool. I feel like I've heard Robert Garnier. At least the last name sounds familiar. Yeah, they're old. That's cool. What model are we using again? It doesn't make sense. Oh, Quinn. Okay, we're using Quinn. I think Quinn is not problematic. But when are we calling it? How are we calling it? I don't see it. Like, it directly does it? That's interesting. Anywho, I really need to pause here. Garnier! Thanks. I've seen that. I've seen the name. I just it's a hair brand, of course. Duh. That's why I don't know Robert Garnier, but I know Garnier because it's a hair care brand. Cool. That's funny. Thank you. I have a doctor's appointment. But I'm looking forward to it because it's like hopefully the last session for that tooth, but I still need other sessions. But yeah, pain is all gone and I'm happy because the pain was too much. Tooth pain is just different. It's built different. Okay. Yes. It's the weekend. I'm gonna actually try and stream during the weekdays when I feel like it because I have things that I need to get done. So wish me luck on that. And I apologize for the bad internet. It's technically not in my hands because apparently no matter how much I pay, it's still going to be bad. And yeah, I wish you a lovely weekend and do something. I hear other people say like do something that makes you happy today, or like just do something nice for yourself. It would be nice. Whether it's just drinking a glass of water, just do something nice for yourself. And yeah, I'm gonna try and end the stream. Thank you for joining me again. Apologies for the problems, and thank you for pointing out issues where I can improve on. I like that. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna wave goodbye and inshallah see you either on Friday or sometime during the week. But I can't make promises because why should I? I don't like lying too much. Okay. Thank you. Bye.